Good afternoon everyone, my name is Joan and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some mango butter and this is the ingredients that I use to make it. And I use these jars to also store the finished products. I put all the butters together, I just eyeball it, I didn't really measure that much. Just put all the butters in a bowl with some boiling hot water in another bowl under it so it could melt. And it took me like about half an hour for all the butters to melt together. And after the butter is melted, as you can see, it's totally melted now. I let it cool for a little bit, then I put it in the refrigerator, and I left it overnight in the refrigerator because I made it late the night, and that's how it looked the next morning, solid. So I cut it out, like 2 quarts of it. Put some aloe vera gel in there, aloe vera jelly, and mix it up with a blender till it becomes nice and soft and smooth. Mix it really well and it's gonna get really creamy. As you see here, it's nice and creamy. Then I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag. Put all of this, not to get to the edge of the plastic bag, try not to touch the edges. Put it all in a plastic bag and cut the tip off on the side of the plastic bag. Just get all of it there, the butter, the mango butter, get all of it inside the bag. This butter is a nice rich butter. It's good for your hair. I use it for my hair, my skin. You know, it have all these nutritious values. Really nice butter. It really made my twist out really looks good after using it. And I use it on my skin also. It's really make my skin nice and soft. I really love it and it smells great too. And then after, I just pour it in those little jars as I mentioned before. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet.